JINAN Senke CNC Machine Co. Limited, established in 2012, is a professional manufacturer in the research, development, sale and service of CNC order machine, CNC plasma cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine, glass cutting machine, glass grinding machine. We are located in Jinan City with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, FDA certificates. Our machines selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Germany, UK, Poland, France, Pakistan, India, Morocco, Thailand, Korea, Japan, Peru, Brazil, Ecuador and some other countries. We also welcome OEM, ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.